counts, which is using the latest nav, our best guess of where we are, show us that the best guess of our landing target location is about 232 meters from the landing target. So looking good so far. We're continuing to receive heartbeat tones. Everything looks good. We're about 90 seconds from entry.
Flight dynamics EDL phase.
Go ahead, phase.
That last solution was with 227 or OD228?
That is OD227.
Thank you. You guys have now OD228 in your possession?
There will be no 228 for us, phase.
That's just fine because the difference is
1 minute to entry.
within spitting distance.
Affirmative.
The vehicle will switch antennas shortly. We'll have a short dropout when that occurs in the tones, switching to a tilted antenna that will be used through entry.
As we come up on entry, we'll expect a 2 or 3 second outage in the X-band signal as we switch from the ELGA to the TLGA.
We're switching to TLGA, signals dropped, and it's...
We just saw the signal drop. That indicates we changed antennas. We're seeing heartbeat tones again after the switch. Things are looking good. Got tones back again. Coming up on entry. Vehicle reports entry interface. At this time, it'll begin pressurizing the propulsion system to increase the thrust of the system. We'll use that for all the maneuvering in the atmosphere we're about to do. Back heartbeat tones. We're standing by for guided start of guided entry.
Nav kan see the engine atmosphere in the Doppler.
We are beginning to feel the atmosphere as we go in here. The vehicle has just reported via tones that it has started guided entry. At this time, the vehicle is beginning to steer its way to the target. It is starting its first bank reversal. First bank reversal complete. We have seen peak deceleration. We passed through peak heating and peak deceleration. It is reporting that we are seeing G's on the order of 11 to 12 Earth G's.
Flight GDSA.
GDSA flight go.
We are processing data from Odyssey.
We are now getting telemetry from Odyssey. All right, reversal 2 complete.
Copy, bank reversal 2 complete.
Thanks.
Standby flight. We have a connection, but we actually do not have any data yet.
Copy.
We can expect some intermittent contact at this time as the signal gets increases to respective levels.
There we go. We are now seeing
And we have on CDP. Okay, copy.
And visualization is updated. They've entered heading alignment.
Very good.
At this time, Curiosity is no longer trying to control how far it's flying downrange, and it's just heading directly for the target.
End of range control, air use minus 1.2 kilometers.
Minus 1.2.
1.2.
The EL team is reporting that that things look pretty good at the end of range control. We have converged a lot of the error, and we should be heading for the target.
Flight EDL, TDS warning is okay.
Copy.
Power on. We are seeing a tone from indicating that we have seen heating of the heat shield through the MEMD instrument. Everything looks fine. This is as expected. During this heading alignment phase, we're flying almost horizontally like a plane. We're going about Mach 2.4 at an altitude of 17 kilometers or so. Vehicle's reporting heartbeat tones again, indicating that everything is fine during heading alignment. We are standing by for straighten up and flight right and parachute deploy.
Dynamics phase. Come back again with wrist mode dynamics.
Wrist mode is nominal. We are 9 kilometers in descending.
Active. Solid range. That filter converges with a velocity correction of 0.7 meters a second.
We've acquired the ground with the radar.
An altitude of 8 kilometers.
Heat shield has separated. We're found the ground.
Expand tones due to earth occultation as expected.
We're standing by to prime the MLE engines in preparation for powered flight. We're down to 90 meters per second at an altitude of 6.5 kilometers and descending.
Flight EDL, we got some torpedo warnings. It is in battle mode, so it should power through.
Director of Communications at this time. We may have lost it already. We're down to 86 meters per second at an altitude of 4 kilometers and descending. We've lost tones from Earth at this time. This is expected. We're continuing on Odyssey telemetry.
Ground solution equals minus 10.8 meters, vertical velocity of minus 80.
We are priming power semi start enabled, standing by for back shell separation.
Signal to Odyssey is still strong.
We are in powered flight. We're at altitude of 1 kilometer descending, about 70 meters per second.
Signal to Odyssey remains
Down to 50 meters per second. 500 meters in altitude. Standing by for sky crane.
Constant velocity accordion nominal. Altitude error 5.9 meters.
We found a nice flat place. We're coming in ready for sky crane. Down to 10 meters per second. 40 meters altitude. Sky crane has started. Descending at about 0.75 meters per second as expected. Expecting final cut shortly.
Signal to Odyssey remains strong.
Tango Delta nominal.
Yep. EDLCOM configured.
Stable.
Telemetry.
Review stable.
UHF is good. Touchdown confirmed. We're safe on Curiosity will take us. We are continuing to receive telemetry from Curiosity. We're safe.
From the surface of Mach.
ASCAM sequence is kicked off, waiting for images.
Heads up, folks.
2:15. There's more stuff. Any minute now. No. 2:56.
Okay, okay. So here we are. We're going to start. Go ahead.
Okay.
So we have landed out at the time we thought we would, and we now have our first image.
We have our first image. This we've got is a 64 by 64 thumbnail. A rear has-cam image. You can see the shadow there. I'm not sure exactly which our orientation is of the vehicle, but we're looking through it. Now, I'm thinking of just a few minutes, we might get even a larger 250 to 256 frame pixel image of that same end. So we're looking at the shadow. See, the horizon is actually in the distance. You can't really tell that. So we're looking actually at the shadow of this late afternoon sun.
So these are the rear house cams.
These are the rear house cams.
And it does have a dust cover on it.
It does have a dust cover, but it's the dust that covers the problem. It's the fact there's dust in the air because we have just blown dust all over the place with our descent engines.
Fantastic. So there could be more.
There could be more. If we wait, we might get, oh yeah! This is the high res, this is the 256 by 256 image. This is the higher resolution. You see dust particles on the window. You can see the horizon there in the background, and there is the wheel of the rover safely on the surface of Mars. I can't believe it. This is unbelievable. We might get another one of these, and if we're lucky, before Odyssey goes away, we'll get 2 more of these same images going the other side of the vehicle, and also probably dusty. This is amazing.
So that is one of Curiosity's rover wheels
exactly.
on the surface of Mars.
Yes. Oh wow! Now we have another image coming down. This is a view looking the other direction. It's still being processed. You'll see it in just a second here. This is another thumbnail image.
Is that a shadow?
That's the shadow
of the rover.
Curiosity rover on the surface of Mars. Thank you.
The Odyssey transition is about to end. It's about to set below the peak of Mount Sharp very shortly. So this is about all the data we're going to get, but things look great.